Okay, we are not recording.
There you go.
Okay, here you go, Elena. All right.
All right, we're recording.
We're recording. Okay, get here with Mommy. Let's sing for Oma.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, when I was sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. Now I hold my head and I cry.
We're wishing you happy Mother's Day, Oma. We love you. Let's give her a kiss. Mwah, mwah. How about a big hug? Big hug. Oh, yeah. And what do we love about Oma? Okay, sit up, honey. What do we love about Oma? How about the blueberry muffins?
The blueberry muffins.
Yeah. How about she helps you exercise?
She helps me exercise.
How about she gave you the monster book? And
She gave me the monster book and the gardening gloves.
you love those, don't you? Those presents.
Yeah.
And she give you a hug and a kiss.
Yeah.
Yeah. She gives you a hug and kiss. And does Oma smell good?
Yeah.
She smells good. What does Oma smell like?
Rose.
Roses. Yeah. Oma smells like roses. How much do we love Oma?